Good morning, children. So, FA2 test is coming at the end of the month, this month. So, I given the practice paper 1. You have to practice in rough notebook each sum 5 times. Okay. Now, see, first main, fill in the blanks. Okay. First main is what? Fill in the blanks. So, dash is a factor of every number. Which is the factor of every number? 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Second one. Every number is a factor of dash. Every number is a factor of dash. What? Every number is factor of what? Itself. Number itself only. Okay. So, every number is a factor of itself. Third one. Factor and multiples are related to each dash. Factors and multiples are related to each dash, that is other, each other. Factors and multiples are related to each other. Okay. Next, fourth one. When two or more numbers are multiplied to get the what? Product. Okay. When two or more numbers are multiplied to get the product. See once again, children. Dash is a factor of every number. Which one is the factor of every number? 1. Every number is a factor of dash itself. Every number is a factor of dash itself. You have to see. Every number is a factor of itself. Factor and multiples are related to each dash other. Factors and multiples are related to each other. Fourth one. When two or more numbers are multiplied to get the product. When two or more numbers are multiplied to get the product. See, second main. Subtract the following. Second main is what? Subtract the following. That is taking away the number. Okay. From big number we have to take the smaller number. See here. 16,200 and subtract the following. 16,279 from 26,475. So, which number you have to put first? Bigger number, that is 26,000. Put 26,475 at top, and next is smaller number, that is 16,279. Okay. So, you have to put the number in column wise like this, and then you have to do the subtraction. So, from 5 we can't take 9. So, what I done? I borrow from 7. 7 will become 6. This will become 15. So, you know that 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is what, children? 15 minus 9? 6. 15 minus 9 is what? 6. Now here 6 is there. So, from 6 we have to take away 7. That is 6 minus 9. It not possible. So, I borrow from 4. It will become 3. This will become now 16. 16 minus 7 is what, children? 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay. Now, from 3 here 2. Okay, possible. Okay, 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, children. Now, second sum. 64,130 from 86,291. So, first you have to write the bigger number first, then the smaller number. Now, do the subtraction, children. 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, children. So, subtraction. Next, third main, solve the following problems. See, what should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643? See, what should be added to this number? One number is given. Okay, to get this number. Okay, remaining number we should write another number. Okay, what you will do? From bigger number you subtract the smaller number. You will get this one. Okay. See, first I written 91,643 minus 37,946. So, what you will do? 13 minus 6. 13, sorry children. 3, from 3 you have to minus 6. What you will do? It not possible. So I borrowed 1 from the 4. 4 will become 3. Then this will become 13. So 13 minus 6 is how much? You know that 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. Now from 3 you have to minus 4. How will you do? You borrow, it not possible. So you borrow 1 from the 6. Then it will become 13. This will become 5. 13 minus 4 is what, children? 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Now from 5 have to minus 9. It's not possible. So I borrow here. This is 1 is there. So 1 will become the 0. This will become 15. 15 minus 9. 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here 0 is there. From 0 I have to remove minus 7. So it's not possible. So I borrow 1 from the 9. Then it will become 10. This will become 8. 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, children, what we must add to this? To get this, we must add 53,697. Okay, children. Okay, next second sum. A public library in a city has 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi, and 10,284 books in English. How many books are there in the library altogether? In library, all the book is mixed now. But how much is there? They are made separate. See, in library they have Kannada books, Hindi books, English books. Okay, so they are asking how many books are there in the library altogether. Altogether means English, Hindi and Kannada books. How much is there? We have to add total together. Okay. See, Kannada books is how much? 17,943. 17,943 Kannada books. Hindi books is how much, children? 14,635. Okay. English books is 10,284. Therefore, total books are. So, what we have to do? We must add that 3 books also. How much is there? No, that one we must all together. Then we will get the total number of books. See, add here. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Write here 2. Carry 1 here. Okay. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write here 6. Carry 1 here. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Write here 8. Carry 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Write here 2. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So total books are 42,862. Okay, children. Now next, third one. Find the difference of the following. You have to find the difference of the following. See, from 2 you have to minus 2. So you know that 2 on the finger, close 2. That is 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. 4 on the finger, close 3. How much? 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 8 on the finger, close 5. Remaining is 3. 8 minus 5 is how much? 3. 9 on the finger, minus 4, that is 5. 5 on the finger, close 3. That is 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Second one. 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, children. Fourth one. Solve. 54,398 plus 24,897 minus 39,486. There is both is there, addition and subtraction. Okay, they are given both addition and subtraction. So you must add first addition. You have to do the first addition and then you have to do the subtraction. Okay, first you add the addition, that is 54,398 plus 24,897. So I written here 54,398 plus 24,897. Now you had 8 plus 7. How much? 8 in the mind, 7 on the finger is how much, children? After 8 you will count now. After 8, 7 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write here 5, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Write here 9, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Write here 2, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Next. See, you got addition we are done. Now what sign is there? Subtraction sign. So from this number, what you had both the numbers now, you got the answer now, 79,295. In that, put 79,295 minus 39,486. Okay. So from 5, 6 will not go. So I borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. Here I carried 1. So that is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 8 minus 8. What 8 minus 8 is what? 0. From 2 I can't minus 4. So I will borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. So that is I will carry here 1. 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 8 is there. From 8 I can't minus 9. So I will borrow 1 from the 7. 7 will become 6. This will become 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay children. Now see fifth one. Circle the multiples of 7 in the following numbers. You have to circle the multiples of 7. If you know the 7 on the table, you can circle it. See here 7, 13, 14, 21, 22, 35, 36, 42 and 45 is given. So circle the only 7 table, whatever the numbers is multiplied by 7, that number you should circle. See 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Here 14 is there, no, circle. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, but here 40. So circle the multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 35, okay, and 42, okay children. So you have to know the tables. Now complete the factor tree of this one 24. Factor tree they are given, you have to complete that one. Okay, 24 is given, 18 is given and 60 is given. So 24. Okay, so how many times it will go? 2 12s are 24. Here 3. Here 2 is prime number is enough. 2 ones are 2 only. So that is prime number 2. Now 12. 3 fours are 12. Then 3 is the prime number, we got it. So I stopped here. Here 4. 2 twos are 4. So what is the complete the factor tree? They given the blank. Okay, you have to see the number properly, and but 24 you can do it like this also. Any number if they not given. See 8 threes are 24. So 2 fours are 8. Again 2 twos are 4. So 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 threes are 24. Like that any number you can, prime number you can multiply. But when they given the blank you have to see this one. 2 like they given like this. 2 12s are 24. So again 12. 3 fours are 12. Here 4. 2 twos are 4. 18. So you know that 2 nines are 18. 2 is the prime number, that is again 9. 3 threes are 9. So you know that 3 threes are 9. 9 twos are 18. Here 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. 12 twos are 24. 18 also you can, if they not given, write the factor, find the factors of 18 in factor tree means you have to can do 3 6 are 18. Again see 2 3s are 6, again came like that only. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, you can practice any number. 16. See how much? 6 10s are 60. Here 3 2 3s are 6. Here 10 is there. 2 5s are 10. Now see 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 60. But you have to know the tables children. Okay, first paper I given, revise, you have to practice in rough notebook, each sum 5 times. Okay children, thank you.